Okay guys, mount your camera on the tripod, use portrait mode. After that, you walk into the scene, you can make a stand for a few seconds. After that, then the next thing now is to bend down. When you bend down, then you stand up and do as if you want to jump up. All right, then you walk out. You are coming back for the second time, walking for the second time. Now what you are going to be doing here is just to make a jump, then you land, then you stand up. Then after that, you can now just walk out. Okay, save the video to your gallery and head over to CapCut. Okay guys, welcome to your gallery. As we create this one together, click on CapCut, new project. Now import this your video to workspace. Look at that volume sign there. You want to click it as we silence the volume. Let's locate where we want the video to start from this place. Now click it and make a split. Delete this first part, we don't need it again. So immediately you do as if you jump up. We are going to be clicking it to make another split. Then you go to the hand, immediately you walk out, split it again, delete this middle part. All right, click on this one and go and look for freeze. Locate freeze guys, click on freeze now. All right, then you come back, you want to click on overlay, click on overlay, add overlay, then locate this human flame video and import it. Import it to workspace. Click on splice now, click on splice, click on filter guys, mark on this good and go back, allow it to play, allow it to play. Okay, immediately you see this human flame, drag it to cover the character. Use it to cover the character. After covering it, we are going to be playing it to see what it look like. Okay, then play it now. Let us see what it look like. We have some adjustment to make here. Look at what is going to be happening now. If you look at this video now, you will see that the character and the flame did not blend. All right, your bending and the flame flying out, everything did not blend. All right, so what we are going to be doing now is to click on the video here. You click on the video, we want to do some adjustment here. All right, so click on this video here, click on speed. All right, click on normal now, then you can increase the speed so that everything will blend. After that, mark on that good and go back. Look at what is going to be. So we have gotten it. Let's play it and see what we have got. Look at it now. We are still going to be playing it from the beginning so that you will see that everything now has blended. If you are doing your own, you do it carefully so that everything will blend. The next thing we are going to be doing now is to click on the second layer, which is the flame. Then you go and look for adjust. Locate adjust, click adjust now, click on saturation, you drag it to 50, click on this one, drag it to 50, mark on this good. Now we are going to be going back. Look at what we have got already. Look at the result of the video now. Good. So at this point, we are going to be clicking on this plus button. Let us import the second part of the video. So locate the second part, import this one now to workspace, click it and locate volume. All right, go and look for volume, click on volume now, mark on this good now, then you go back, mark out an empty background here. Before you walk in, click and make a split here. Then you adjust the video to the point where you jump up. As you are still on air, as you are still on air, make another split, delete this middle part. All right, you will delete this middle part. This is what we have got. So at this point, you are going to be coming back here to click on add overlay again, add overlay, then you import the second flames, import the second flame of the video. Click on splice now, click on filter, mark on this good, then you go back. Look at how it's going to play. Look at it. So this place, you click on the light and adjust it. We have some many adjustments to make here, so you come down, start making your adjustment so that this character and this flame will blend together. The point that the character and the flame come down so that it will blend together. That is what I am doing. I've clicked on my flame to adjust it to that character now. Look at it. But yet it has not blended. So I will come down now and start making my necessary adjustment. Look at what I am doing. I am still I'm adjusting the light backward so that they will blend. At the end, we are going to still be clicking the video to add speed. So use both speed and everything to make this your video here to blend. Look at it. I've clicked it and click on the speed. Click on normal, then you adjust it. All right, after adjusting it, mark on good, then you go back. That is what I am doing. I am looking for a perfect match for the video. All right, you click it, you drag it to the character so that everything will blend. Just come down and do your own. As you can see that I am looking for my own perfect match. All right, don't rush here. This place might give you a little bit trouble or stress, but when you calm down, you are going to get it. Just watch what I am doing and follow what I am doing. All right. So at the end of adjusting it, you can see I am adding speed again because I have not gotten it. Just calm down and do your own. All right, so that you will get the perfect thing that you are looking for. All right, you know, when you are recording the video and the flame can never match, they can never rhyme, so you are the one that will use your hand here to do the adjustment to make everything to rhyme and to work together. Look at it now. I think I am almost getting it, but you can see that I'm still doing my adjustment. I think I've gotten it. Just a little adjustment now, then everything will work normal. All right, just calm down, watch what I am doing, follow what I am doing. You can see I'm adjusting my light. I'm still working on my video to make sure I get the perfect thing. All right, at the end of it all now, we are going to be doing something to the light like we did to the first part. But calm down and get yours first. All right, click on it, go and look for adjust. Locate adjust now. So go and look for adjust, guys. Locate adjust, click on adjust now. You click on saturation and increase it. Click on brilliance, then you still increase brilliance to 50. You mark on this good, then you go back. We are going to be playing this video from the beginning now. All right, this video is ready. All right, remember to add your sound and every other effect, then after that you export your video. All right, but let's watch the video to the end. We are going to be removing the unwanted part. All right, so at this place now, we are going to be clicking it here, then you are going to be making a split somewhere here. All right, make a split here now, delete this last part, click on this one and trim it to be equal with this. All right, so this video is ready. So the main thing now, or what is remaining, is to click on export now and export this video to a gallery. You can see it now, the video is exporting. Just a size patient. This video I have now installed in your gallery. You can now share it to your social media handles, guys. But tell us your opinion about this video. If you have magic effects or capcut tricks you want us to create together, drop them at the comment section. If you love this video and you love what we are doing, smash your like button. Go and locate your notification bell and click it so that YouTube will always notify you whenever we drop our amazing videos. If you are just coming across our YouTube channel, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more updates. See you in our next video. Thanks for watching. Stay safe.